This is about this is diabetic data analytics of a diabetic dataset. We import Numpy, Pandas, which is essential libraries for data preprocessing, data manipulation. Then we import scalar. From SQL learn, we import StardarScaler, train test split, support vector machine, and accuracy score, which is essential for a machine learning. And StardarScaler is to standardize data. Train test split is to split the data between train and test. Then we import SVM, which is a support vector machine, which is about to classify data into uh, different kind of outcomes. And then we read data, therefore pd.read CSV. Then we have a look at top 5 record. We have different kind of records. We have pregnancies, glucose, blood pressure, skin thickness, insulin, BMI, diabetes, pedigree, function, age, and outcome, which is a totaling 9 variable and 768 rows. Then we, with the help of info method we have to find out if there is any null value or not. Usually there is a not a null value, and with the help of that we also find data types. Mainly integer and a float. There is a not any objective data type. Then we find out not describe, which is about descriptor analytics to find out the total count of values, the mean, median, standard deviation, and all the percentile value. In this, we also have a look at about what is the minimum value and what is the maximum value. And not describe method is about to describe all the numeric values. And then we find out totally how many there is how many person is diabetic or not. Zero is for non-diabetic, one is for diabetic, and though we also shown there. Then we group by based data based on outcome, and to have a look at data to find if there is any unique insight. Though we didn't find any, so we go further. Uh, why I can't go much deeper in this project? Because I want to make it simple, and slowly we uh, go and deep dive into complex data in the complex machine learning models. Then we divide data into y variables, and we look at x variable, y variable. Then we do data standardization, and and then we look at all the standardized data columns. Tomorrow we talk about all the tomorrow or day next, which day is we find out free all the functionalities and all the functions of a pandas and machine learning, which is mostly used to talk about separately. Then we converted this into x and y variable again because we standardized data, and then we print both x and y variables. Obviously, in y variable there is outcome, and in x variable there is 8 different kind of variables which we have in data. Then we train and test the dataset. Then we split the data into train and test. The test size is 0.2%. It means we use 80% in the training and 20% testing. Then we print the shape of all the x shape of x and the shape of x train and x test. There is a 768 rows and 8 columns in X shape, and all this report we have to look at out train them. Then we train the model with the help of a sport vector machine. Then for sport vector machine we fit a model which is a classified fit because we take into a classifier variable. We take SVM into classifier model, classifier variable. Then we fit the model, and then we evaluate the accuracy. And this is all to classify to predict X train. And firstly, we predict accuracy on training dataset. Then all testing. In training data, we got accuracy 78.6. And in testing, we got accuracy so far 17 77.222727, which means there is a very less difference between training accuracy and testing accuracy. Means there are, our model is a not overfit. There is a not much variation in accuracy. Then we make a prediction system with the help of this input data and and all the transformation. Then we find out whether person is diabetic or not. In this, we find out zero means person is not a diabetic. This is uh, this is all which we talk about. Thank you.